Hi, kitty cats. So, it's been a while, I know. And I had to go get, my computer ended up with some problems. It had to be reloaded. And then I lost the editing software I was using, which doesn't exist anymore. So I couldn't download it from online again because it's gone. They discontinued it. And I realized after talking to different people and looking at different software, I need to get Windows 10. I know. Why did I wait so long? Mostly because I didn't want to lose the editing software I had before that only worked with Windows 7. So, yay! So my boyfriend got me Windows 10, and then we had to take it back because the kind of Windows 10 he got wasn't the kind that just upgrades it. So it had to be put in clean, so it had to be reloaded all over again. So yeah, a lot went on, and I lost also the last few things that I had filmed. When it got reloaded, for some reason disappeared. We don't know why. I talked to the computer guy and he was like, that doesn't make any sense. But I couldn't find it. If at some point it suddenly appears, I will upload those. But for now, I've lost those, which included my Gamora look. I may do the Gamora look over again in the future. But for now, I just want to get some, because that was a lot of work, that. And I want to get stuff out to you as soon as possible. So I'm trying to do some short, like, little haul things so that you guys have something from me because it's been so long. So today I'm going to do my Ipsy. There we go. There you go. And we're gonna take a look at this. Now, interestingly enough, this month, for the month of May, I got 3 extra add-ons. I only usually get 1 extra add-on, but I said, I'm gonna get 3. So I did. So there's a lot in here. And if you missed it, my daughter did hers in my stories instead of what we usually do. And like, everything's been moved around in here because I haven't been in here that much. And my lighting has been moved, everything. So bear with me. Also, I have to try out the new software that I got. So I don't know how long that's going to take me to get this out. Hopefully it won't take me too long for me to understand it or learn it, whatnot. And I don't know how that's going to go either. So if my first couple videos aren't up to par, I'm still learning how to use some things. So this month was Get That Glow. And we have so many things here. And first off, I'm going to take a look at this. This is the Glambag. Yeah, they didn't give me a list of the stuff, it seems. It just, yeah, they didn't give me a list, which sucks. I prefer it when they give me like a list of what I'm getting, but not today. Okay, I thought I was gonna have to get that. Okay, what do we got here then? We've got from Glambag. This looks like some highlighters. Yeah, a couple highlighters here. It says Skin Glow Moonlight. Here we go. Come on, focus. Sorry guys. There we go. So 2 like pretty highlighters. You know I always like getting a new highlighter. And we've got eye cream. Now, oddly enough, I had just I taped an Ulta haul that you guys never got to see. And I had bought some eye creams. So now I have another one. This is Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I like Murad products, so I probably will like this eye cream. The eye cream I'm using right now is a Tony Moly one, but we will see what I think of that one. Oh, and of course there's the little bag that I don't really care about. If you think it's cute, I'm just so sick of bags. Like, it's got to be like something that I find amazing in order for me to be like, ooh, about it. Sorry, just the way it is now. We got this Tart lip paint. Tarteist lip paint in the color Get It. That's a very, it's a nice color. I mean, it'll be a nice, it's a nice kind of spring or summer color, I think. It's called, once again, I'll say Get It. And they sent me a little eyeshadow palette from Colored Rain. I think some people, because you know with the Ipsy Glambagplus, you can choose one of your products that they send you, and I think a lot of people chose like these little eyeshadow palettes. I actually chose something different, but they sent me an eyeshadow palette anyways as well. And this is pretty. I'll be interested to see, trying to really get those. I mean, I definitely like these colors, and I'm interested to see how they work out. I really need an extra palette. I know I went and did an eyeshadow palette to color, but it's still, I still need like an extra drawer for my palettes. Now, what I did pick were these Sugar Rush Tarte brush sets. And they're in tissue paper here. Yeah, this is the product that I picked out because I always like getting new eyeshadow brushes, especially. Let me see how they feel. I do like the ends. They're meant to look like, you know, pencils. They feel nice and soft. See, the next eye look I do. I did makeup today, but I did very bare minimum because it's pretty warm out today, and I just wanted to film for you. And so I wanted to put on my makeup quickly. Yeah, this is very nice and soft. Like I said, I like the look of them. I like the whole pencil look, where it looks like a pencil. Cute. I like them. But then I have an extra brush holder now because I was running out of brush room too. I want to do an brush declutter, but that's hard for me. I'm procrastinating because I really love my brushes. I know there's a few that I like never use that I could probably get rid of, but it's hard for me. Then I got the 3 add-ons, and one of the add-ons was another brush. This is one of the Farrah brushes. This is very, very soft. So, very soft, pretty pink metallic handle. It's so soft. I love it. Love. And I got some sheet masks as an add-on. Where can I open this? There we go. So a couple sheet masks here. Essential Brightening Mask. And JG Essential Calming Mask. And then I got, and I've been wanting this for a while since I saw somebody else with it, the Candy Johnson Perlice collab. The Butterme Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. Oh, I gotta smell this. Come on. Oh, of course, there's foil, so let's open this up. Get that little piece of foil off. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love creamsicles. I actually have some in the freezer right now, and I will probably, I'm just gonna put it on my hands. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm probably gonna wanna go eat one after smelling this. My daughter's gonna probably want to steal this, and I'm gonna be like, no. Oh my goodness. It smells amazing. So that's everything that was in here. I hope you didn't miss me too much. Or maybe I do. But I certainly missed you. I really missed making videos and being able to see your comments on my videos. It really, my trash is full down here. I don't know why. Nobody ever sees this trash. I know, you're like, why don't you do it? And it's like, because I'm not the one that usually does the trash in the house. It's John. So, yeah, he always forgets to do the trash in here. So yeah, I'm putting all my things away and excited for new products to use. And I'm gonna film another little video right now so that you'll have 2 videos in a row, 2 different hauls. Well, that wasn't a haul, that was an unboxing. But I'm gonna do a little haul next, and that you'll get the next day. And I'm back. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Share it. It really helps me out when you do that. And I've been gone for a couple weeks, so getting back in is gonna be, you know, I need a little extra oomph from you guys. And otherwise than that, try to be kind. Yeah. I haven't been that kind of a person lately, I'll be honest. It's hard for me to do so, but I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm just gonna say, try. And if you can't, don't worry about it. All right. Bye-bye, kitty cats.